Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down in order to find the battery and device care. Now let's tap on this device protection, which is, as you can see, turned off. So let's tap on it and tap on turn on. Okay, just tap on turn on, and as you can see, we've got this information that no threats has been found yet, but I highly recommend to tap on scan tablet, and as you can see, your device will right now scan itself, so it will scan all of the apps and kind of processes or areas in order to find any kind of malware or problems which will appear during usage of the device. And after the scanning, your device will of course inform you whether it found any kind of problems or not. So of course, if it will find any problems, you will be able to take some actions and remove them successfully. If not, if it will not find anything, it will notify you that no threats has been detected, just like in my case. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.